how to delete your PayPal account or how to close your PayPal account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your PayPal account, whether it's for business use or whether it's for personal use. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now first, in order to delete our account, don't use the application. We will simply use our web browser. Just open up your browser and go to paypal.com. I'll also make sure to leave the link down in the description box. You can do this process from your Windows PC or anywhere else as long as you're using a browser. And just make sure to log into your account, as you could see over here. Once you log into paypal.com, you will see somewhat this kind of interface, and over here what we want to do is, in order to delete our account, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the three horizontal lines, here you want to simply tap on the gear icon which you see on the right hand side at the top. So just tap on the gear icon. As soon as you tap on the gear icon, basically on the next page you will see this kind of interface. Now here you can see multiple type of menu options at the top. Just go to the one that says data and privacy, as you could see over there. As soon as you go to data and privacy, again you'll see this kind of interface which says manage your privacy settings, but we're going to scroll down under the manage your data section and you'll find this option that says delete your data or close account, which means ask us to delete your data. To do this, we'll also need to close your account. So just tap on this trash icon that says delete. Before you continue, you can see if your account is limited, go to the resolution center, select go to account limitations and click resolve or anything as such. You also want to make sure to transfer your PayPal balance, because once you delete your account, all of the balance is also going to get deleted and not refundable. And just agree to the terms and conditions and just tap on the yes continue button of the screen. And the final step is to also go ahead and then simply enter your email address in order to go ahead and verify it, and just tap on the continue button. Once you enter your email address and just tap on continue, you have to go through your email address as well and check whether or not you've received the account deletion request from PayPal. And once you tap on that email, you'll successfully be able to delete your PayPal account. And that's all it takes to close your PayPal account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.